or welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin if you're new here, and it's been a while, so yeah, life happens, school happens, and really that's the only excuse that I'm gonna give you, but I'm back, and honestly I've wanted to film a video for a while now. I just didn't know what to film, and honestly, like I said, it's been a while, so kind of just felt out of it, but I thought I would come back with just a simple video just to get back into it, just get comfortable again. So here I am. This is gonna be my everyday makeup routine if I wear makeup, because if I'm being honest, this is what I look like every day. I don't wear makeup. Yeah, I just don't do it often. I don't like the feeling of it, and yeah. But if you're interested in minimal makeup, this is what I do. So yeah, stick around and maybe you'll learn a few products. So to get started, I've already put on my face cream and any skincare or whatever that I would usually do, and then I just put some lip balm on my lips, and that is pretty much how I would usually just stop it at. But if I'm feeling like looking a little bit more presentable, a little more cuter, that's what I would do. So I go in and start with my Nars concealer. Honestly, I find it really hard to find concealers for my skin tone. Right now, I can get away with just using this one, but usually I have to mix, and yeah, so this is a concealer that has worked for me. So this is medium 3 in PRALINE. So all I do is I have a mirror here if I'm looking here, but all I do is I just put a little dot on the inside of the corner of my eye. And that is as much of concealer that I use. So I use my Sephora, this is a concealer brush from Sephora. I don't know how to do this, I'm not a makeup person. There you go. Okay, so that's the Pro Concealer brush 71. And what I do is I just drag the concealer out. Let's zoom this in. Okay. I just drag the concealer out and drag it to the bottom, doing little patting strokes. Just like every time I do this, I always think of it like a little paw on my face. I know that's so weird, but that's really what this feels like, and I really like this brush. Always going back to that corner just to bring more product and distribute it. So that is what we're looking like already. Isn't that such a difference? And that was just one little dot, which is why I feel like you don't need to use a lot to achieve what you want to achieve. But yeah, so just patting it all the way out, all the way down, and then filling it in the middle. How I blend it in with my skin is I just like kind of like fan it out really around where the concealer edges. So once concealer is done, I do set it, and the setting powder that I use is the Mercier. Yeah, there we go. The Mercier setting powder, translucent. Honestly, I think this one's a little light for me, which is why I don't bake as some people, like, you know how they put like a layer of it. I can't leave it on for too long because I feel like it's too light, but this is what I do. So this is the brush I use. It's no like fancy brush, it's just a drugstore, I don't even know, but yeah, fluffy brush. Anyway, so I just tap off all the excess so that there's just a little bit on, and then I just press it in. And only in the areas that I have applied my concealer. And then in any areas that I find myself being shiny in. Yeah. This is so close to my face. Gosh, okay. So my next thing that I do just to bring a little bit of color and life into my face is I will kind of contour, but it's not really, you'll see what I mean. But this is the product that I use. It is the NYX 3-Step to Sculpt, and this is the shade Light. usually like in any product I'd be like a medium, or yeah, but the medium is way too dark for my skin color. So I think this is like the perfect color. I've already used this, like this is like I think the third palette that I bought, so I really like this color. I think it works perfect for my skin. And I just take like an angled brush like this. I know I'm doing things wrong because I use this for my blush too. It's just what I do. I'm sorry, I know. But again, I don't wear makeup a lot, okay? So that's my excuse. Anyways, I use this angled brush and I will just dip it in there. And then I kind of like squeeze the brush and just do it under my cheekbones. And just on the other side. There we go. And then I will just blend it out. And then I will take whatever's left and just do it on my nose. So just like that. Again, not the cleanest, I know, but my second to last step is blush. So I've been using either of these. It's just kind of on my mood, on how I feel. This is the Milk. So for blush, I've been using either the Sephora blush, and this is in the color Charmed. Really, really pretty color. Or I've been using the Milk Makeup lip and cheek stain. They're both very similar colors, just different consistencies, and yeah, I like them both. It kind of just depends on my mood. This one will definitely give me more of a glowier look, and this one a little bit more of a matte, and it has little shimmers in it. So I'm gonna use the Charmed by Sephora. This one I think is just really pigmented, so a little bit, tap it off, and then just on the apples of my cheeks, and then just bring it up. And then I kind of do the excess on my nose, chin, forehead, everywhere really. I tend to overdo it with blush sometimes, so then I will just have to like rub it off, but I love blush. I love blush. I think it just looks so cute and girly, and I love it. Yeah, if I wanted to just leave it here, I could, and just finish it off with a lip balm. This is the KOSA Sport. I think that's how you say it. That's what it looks like, and it's, I don't want to show you it because it looks really freaking, it looks really messed up because it melted, and then yeah, but that's what it looks like. But basically it's a tinted lip balm and I really like it. Yeah, so I could just leave it off there, but if I'm feeling like it, I will add a mascara. And this is the mascara that I use. This is mascara that I always use. I've used many mascaras before. I've used drugstore, would you say luxury? I don't know, or just more expensive brands. They're all good, but I just gravitate towards this one, and it's like $6, so in Canadian, so that's, I feel like you can't go wrong with that, and it's a good mascara. So I will just do this. I don't think I'm gonna be in frame for this. I will try, but I will try. I will try. So that is it. That is my minimal, natural, no makeup, everyday makeup routine. I hope that you guys learned some new products, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna post more. I'm just figuring out where I want to take this channel and what videos I really want to make, because if I'm being totally honest, I don't want to only make curly hair videos because I am more than just curly hair, and sometimes I just don't feel like I am completely in a position to give advice. And yeah, just because I feel like I'm just figuring it out myself. And yeah, and again, also being totally honest, I don't always wear my hair curly, so it's hard for me to like make videos and like hairstyles and stuff like that, when honestly this is as much of a hairstyle as it gets, like just pinning my hair up or putting it in a bun, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I really don't do much. So yeah, and I just don't want to disappoint you guys, and I've been getting a few requests to do like certain curly hair videos, and like I said, I just don't want to disappoint you guys because I really don't do much. And yeah, and I'm just kind of learning what my hair is and does. I think that's the only advice I can give, is you gotta figure it out. Like everybody's hair is different, and I don't think that there's any right or wrong way of doing curly hair. It just is what your hair likes and what your hair doesn't like, and certain things that I've seen other curly girls do, my hair doesn't react well to it, or yeah, so I think it's all just trial and error. So I'm just gonna leave it on that, but I am gonna make more videos, and hopefully the videos that I make will represent more me, and I hope that's okay with you guys. I hope you guys will be interested in it. I'm an interior design student, and so I literally love it so much, and I can't believe that this is what I'm doing and this is what I'm gonna be, and I get giddy just talking about it because it's so exciting. So I would really like to make videos on that and show you guys that side of me, and yeah, but I do know that majority of you have followed me for curly hair, so that's why I'm like hesitant on uploading those type of videos. But yeah, you know what, my mom gave me some good advice, and she told me that I'm not obligated to do anything, and this is my channel, so I should do what I want to do. And if people unsubscribe, and that'll be really sad just because this channel has grown really fast and really quickly. So yeah, but we will see, and I will make more videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season, and I will see you soon. Bye.